So, hello Sonakshi ma'am, hello Jyotika ma'am, welcome to INS and congratulations for System that's about to release on 22nd of May. My first question is to both of you. Of course, it's a legal drama, courtroom drama, but what was it about the premise of the show, apart from the genre, that kind of appealed to the artist in you and made you give your nod to the film? Anyone can take the lead instead.
For me, I really like Sarika as a character I have not played before actually. I don't want to give away too much, but there are too many shades to her and there are a lot of layers. So whole layers in her attracted me a lot. Also, there's a lot I'm emoting through silence, which was another factor which was very challenging as an actor.
I think for me, the main thing that attracted me towards doing this role was the way that it was written. The entire film, the way it was written. Everything connects very beautifully. The characters come out, their vulnerabilities come out very beautifully. And for me to play a lawyer who is so realistic, a privileged public prosecutor in fact, I think who is so privileged yet so rooted and real, that was really the clincher.
Okay. And ma'am, you play a typist in a court, that's what I've been told.
Stenographer, yeah.
No, it's a very difficult job because you have to constantly, whatever the judge is saying, you have to draft the order or the verdict. Did it take any special kind of preparation for you to get the speed up while typing or anything like that?
Not a very deep preparation, but yeah, superficially we did. How much the speed should be and your eye movement, you're looking in 2-3 directions plus emoting. So that's about it. But beyond that, it was more about the emotion.
Okay. And while you're delivering in front of the camera, while you're emoting something of this sort, a lot of your focus is on the instrument that you are toying around with in the frame. So what was that synergy like to keep the focus on that and still deliver your line or play through the silences as you mentioned?
Yeah, but most of the time what you see is not what is done. So some of the time the keyboard was not in frame. So my focus was more on performing and the typing was not the most important thing then. But I think since we are all in a gadget world or phone pay, so we are somewhere accustomed to, we were not on a typewriter. We were on a computer, on a PC kind of thing. So it was quite, could flow with it, yes.
And for you ma'am, to essay a lawyer, when you play something of this sort, of course there are a lot of legal terms that you pay attention to. But once it's done for the day or for the entire film, once there's a backup, do you carry all of that knowledge with yourself or you just let it go and step into a new work?
No, honestly, I let it go because I don't need to carry it back home. Like, घर जाके तो नहीं आपके husband को बोलूँगी, overruled, sustained. So I think I don't anyway take my work back home with me. It's very easy for me to switch on and switch off. The preparation I needed to do for this was to actually just watch a few proceedings that are available online, court proceedings, and I think उससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला in terms of the tone that they use in the court, which is very real and very normal. It's not over the top, it's not dramatic, it's very, very realistic. So that made my job even easier because हमारे दिमाग में जो था lawyers and courtroom dramas के बारे में it was very loud जो हिंदी फिल्मों में बनते थे, but I've not seen like such regular and normal proceedings before, and I love the fact that I had to do that for this film. So it was just keeping the character very, very real, and I love playing a character like that, and I didn't really need to take it home with me.
And building on that, this question is for both of you. As you mentioned, the language or the dialogue delivery is not too loud as it used to be earlier in the films. In that sense, did this film change your perception about the legal system of India? Because I'm very sure, when you work on OTT, it's a well-researched film. There's a whole team on ground, who are putting the pieces of the puzzle together. Did it in any way change your perception of India's legal system, this film in particular?
As in, you never really know from an outsider's perspective what are the actual going-ons, right? In any other profession for that matter. Like today, if I ask a lawyer, उनको शायद नहीं पता होगा कि film कैसे बनती है, set पे क्या होता है. So it's the same for us, honestly. Like unless you've actually physically been inside a court and been a part of a proceeding, you don't really know. You don't know the preparation that goes through. You don't know how many people work on that one particular case in a firm. So it's like a new world altogether. And I love the fact that we as actors are able to bring that to screen so that so many more people can find out about it.
Correct.
You know, so I think that's a very interesting part of our job.
Okay. And ma'am, for you, same question.
Yeah, so I think we've seen courtrooms in also other films which have been projected very well.
Yeah.
So each time it's like a learning for us also. Okay, you know, oh, this type ka court is like this, Supreme Court is like this, and you know the General Court is like this. So it's always a learning from other films. I've really not been to an actual court, so it's just through films and how real they're showing it that we're learning.
Okay. And you mentioned that whatever understanding of the legal world any layman has is through films, through our cinema, because like everybody don't walk into a court and be a part of the proceeding and everything. Considering that, which is that one film in India or world over which kind of courtroom drama, which kind of hooked you into this world and made you, oh, this is a new space that I would like to explore as an artist, as an actor? Any old film from India or from abroad?
No, but sirf courtroom drama.
Yeah.
There's so many films.
Courtroom or legal?
Which was the one? Sorry. There are so many.
I remember
Shahid was one. Then there was one which Akshay Khanna did as a lawyer.
Article 375?
Yes.
375. That was a very good one.
Jai Bhim.
Oh yeah.
Jai Bhim, of course. Jai, of course.
There's one more, 12 Angry Men.
Which one?
12 Angry Men. Very old film.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. Yeah.
And moving forward, the film is directed by Ashwini ma'am. When we have three women on board, putting their creative energies together, talking, sharing ideas, building perceptions on the story, character and everything. What's that space like to explore as an artist, to have a female helming this film, and then you have the liberty to share your ideas openly, or you have that sense of comfort, not liberty per se. What's that process like for you as artists?
To be honest, I feel generally women are more open to receiving suggestions, ideas, and they also bring a certain sensitivity and vulnerability to how they see a certain character. And I think with the three of us, on set, it was a very collaborative effort. Like there would never be a time where I go to my director and say that, can I play this like this? And she'd always like, yeah, sure, try it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, we'll do it my way. So it's a very collaborative effort, and I really, really love that, because as an artist, you're also a creative person. You also bring something to the table. You also want to do it a certain way. But if a person is not open to receiving that, then there's no point. Then it becomes not enjoyable for anybody. Except the person who's getting their way.
And it kind of also pushes you into a shell. Ki, yaar,
yeah, मैं करूँगी, जो करवाना है करवा लो. But otherwise, when you're really, and then it makes you apply your brains also, right?
काम अच्छा निकल के आता है.
Exactly. So I feel that's very, very important, and I think it was a real pleasure working with someone who was so open to receiving.
Okay, and ma'am, for you, with this tremendous, amazing body of work behind you, to collaborate with Ashwini ma'am, to share ideas with her, what was that process like?
I think, like Sonakshi said, there was a great level of comfort, and I will definitely say it's more comfortable working with a female director, very proudly and boldly. We could share a lot of things with her. She saw us the way we wanted to be seen on screen. So that is a big difference. I feel she there are a couple of scenes where there are some scenes in the film where she could have gone overboard if she wanted for a commercial reason, but she showed both of us with extreme dignity, and that part from her made us so comfortable with her, and she showed us very respectfully, more than above everything else. I think she really, because she's a woman, so all these things together, I think it was extremely comfortable working with a female director.
Okay. And my next question is again for both of you. It's said that film have a set purpose to give out a message to the country, society in general. But a film is not just that, in my opinion. It's much more beyond that. Of course, it cannot be just that. There are other layers to a film, other layers to cinema, the voice of a director, what an actor wants to say through his work, her work. What's your opinion on films being seen just as a medium of setting the society on a right path? Do you agree with that?
I actually don't agree with that, because a film is made for entertainment as well. आपको मॉरल सिखाना, आपको क्या सही है क्या गलत सिखाना, ये आपके पेरेंट्स को सिखाना चाहिए और आपको स्कूल में सीखना चाहिए. ये हमारा काम एज फिल्म एंड क्रिएटिव पीपल नहीं है. आज हम एक स्टोरी बनाएंगे अबाउट अ लॉयर, तो कल एक स्टोरी बनेगी अबाउट अ सीरियल किलर. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप जाके लोगों को मारना शुरू करो. So I feel those morals and ethics are taught at home, and it's not our job to teach you. By the time you watch our film, we have ratings 12, 16, 18 ये देख सकते हैं, because for a certain level of audience जो उसे समझ पाए और सही और गलत में अंतर
कर पाए,
जान पाए. You know, so I feel it's not our job. I feel that a lot of the times it's such a big conversation is made about, you know, this is wrong, this should not be shown in a film, this should not be this, this should not be that. No, I'm sorry, you have to make that judgment for yourself. You have to learn that at home and watch a film to be entertained by it. It's a story at the end of the day. फिर तो हम सिर्फ अच्छी कहानियां बना पाएंगे ना.
Correct.
There are so many times where films are based on real life incidents, on true stories. It is a reflection of art is a reflection of society. So I feel people should be able to make that difference for themselves, and I feel watch a film for entertainment as well. If a film like System, for example, अगर वो आपको सोचने पे मजबूर कर दे घर जाके, that's a good thing. At least you're thinking about it. It stays with you, and that's what we want. ना हम ये आपको नहीं बोल रहे कि आप अपना मतलब यही सही है, यही गलत है. नहीं, आप you're smart enough to make your own decisions. Definitely. Or you should be before watching a film, I think.
And ma'am, for you, how does it work?
For me, it works like Sonakshi said, but कभी-कभी जब लाइन ओवर क्रॉस हो जाती है, तब मुझे भी प्रॉब्लम होता है. मुझे लगता है कि अभी आप एक हीरो को 4 हीरोइन के साथ लोगे तो then people start thinking. So crossing it too much is where I feel it can go wrong.
You have to draw a line somewhere.
Somewhere you have to draw a line, but otherwise, different subjects and different stories have to be told, like she said.
एंड फॉर माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन सोनाक्षी मैम, क्योंकि हम एंटरटेनमेंट की बात कर रहे थे, मुझे आपकी एक फिल्म बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है. 2 है एक्चुअली. वन इज आर राजकुमार एंड द अदर इज राउडी राठौर. वेरी लाइक आई वाज इन कॉलेज बैक देन व्हेन राउडी राठौर रिलीज्ड. म्यूजिक, परफॉर्मेंसेस, direction, like everything is top notch. If you could share your fondest memories of working on that film.
Oh, I really thoroughly enjoyed myself working on those films. I think वो time पे मैं भी एक ऐसे time पे थी जहाँ पर I was doing a lot of these very colorful and very so to speak मसालेदार films, and उसमें भी अपना मजा है, and I think the work that I'm doing now इसमें भी अपना खुद का मजा है. I think at that point in time that was what was required from me as an artist, and now this is what is required from me as an artist. मैं वो actress बनना चाहती हूँ जो आप किसी भी film में डाल सको, you know, and कोशिश तो वही रहेगी, but of course I have reached a point also where I am doing only the kind of work that I want to do now. So it was a good journey for me. I think I had to do those films to kind of land up doing the films that I am doing today.
Correct.
That brought me the audience and brought me the love and support of so many people, and which is why I'm able to do roles like this today. So I'm very grateful.
And I'm tempted to ask one last question for you, ma'am. She said that, reaching a point professionally, personally, now when you have done so much work, when you have achieved everything, at a point you feel like, मैंने ये भी कर लिया, ये genre भी कर लिया, ये performance भी कर लिया, इस type का character भी कर लिया. How can an artist, after reaching that level, cultivate a sense of passion or to continuously do their work with the same zeal, same zest, in your opinion?
एक्चुअली हीरोइंस के लिए बहुत कुछ है करना अभी बाकी. आप जो मेल फिल्म्स देखेंगे तो वो लोग एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं, वो लोग इमोशन भी, कॉमेडी भी, कितना कुछ कर रहे हैं. सो वी स्टिल हैव अ लॉट टू एक्सप्लोर. वैसे फर्स्ट 15-20 years आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग फिल्म्स विद हीरोज विद अ गुड पार्ट टू प्ले इन दैट. फिर एक जोन आया जहाँ पे आई वाज डूइंग वुमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्म्स, जहाँ पर प्रोटैगनिस्ट एंड यू आर टॉकिंग फॉर अ कॉमन वुमन. आई प्लेड अ लॉट ऑफ हाउसवाइफ रोल्स व्हिच वर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. और फिर अब एक फेज आया है जहाँ पे मुझे हर टाइप की वुमन करना है. जैसे आई वांट टू डू नेगेटिव, आई वांट टू डू ग्रे, आई वांट टू डू every kind of role, so it's every time there's a lot to do. Abhi tak I've still not done action. We've still not done so many genres to be still covered by women. There's a lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think a lot can be written more for women actually.
It's releasing on 22nd of May. So please watch it on Amazon Prime.
Perfect.
And watch it with your family.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm sure people are going to turn up in huge numbers and crash the servers of Prime Video.
We hope so too.
Thank you.
Perfect. So on that note, thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for that.
Thank
Thank you.